What if, instead of designing a home with smart devices, you could actually create a smart home? What if you could combine Amazon Alexa and premium JBL sound into state-of-the-art downlights for a clean, clutter-free, truly smart home located in the optimal location near the middle of the room and above the fray, allowing unobstructed premium performance? Introducing Juno AI, the simplest and easiest way to make a home truly smart. Juno AI is easy to install, easy to set up, easy to use, to update, and to understand, removing the need and complexity of separate hubs, lights, lighting controls, speakers, and speaker controls. Instead, combining all these components into one truly smart downlight. Everything comes in one shipment, reducing problems before, during, and after construction, and eliminating the cost and time associated with callbacks, all while increasing the value of the home. And with state-of-the-art LEDs rated for 50,000 hours, Juno AI will be worry-free for over 20 years based on normal usage. Because it's connected to the cloud, Juno AI even automatically updates its firmware over the air, providing seamless feature enhancements and the latest user experience for the life of the fixtures. Installation is simple and easy, eliminating the need for special contractors and control configuration. Just install the Juno AI downlights, connect to the home's Wi-Fi, and tell them what to do. They can dim to 1% and change to nearly any shade of white. And because Juno AI works with existing Wi-Fi and router systems, just like Alexa, there's no need for hubs or bridges. Simply install a Juno AI downlight in each room and you're set. So how does Juno AI actually work?
Alexa, play jazz playlist.
Once a request is made, Juno AI sends the message to the cloud via the user's Wi-Fi, and the cloud sends commands back to the Juno AI fixtures being controlled via the user's router, allowing them to control their entire house from any room in the house.
Alexa, add eggs and milk to my shopping list.
Alexa, turn on the TV.
Alexa, good night.
If it works with Alexa, it works with Juno AI. And what's even better is that Juno AI family is competitively priced and scalable, providing you the flexibility you need to meet specification and budget requirements. The current products consist of 3 fixture types: Juno AI with Alexa built in, which includes a downlight, JBL speaker, microphone, and an Alexa voice assistant; the Juno AI speaker, which comes complete with a downlight and JBL speaker; and finally, the Juno AI downlight, which comes with, you guessed it, a smart downlight. In one example, the Juno AI Master can be paired with a series of Juno AI speaker lights and Juno AI downlights, while in another application, the Juno AI companion lights can be used alongside an existing Echo Dot or a smartphone in order to achieve the desired results. These 3 units combine to make a truly smart home, using various configurations to meet the unique needs of your specific project. Juno AI is that simple. To sell, to specify, to install, and to use. It's the simplest solution to a smarter home.
Alexa, set alarm for 7 a.m.
Alexa, play music in party mode.
Alexa, vacuum the family room.
Alexa, announce dinner is ready.
Alexa, good night.
That's Juno AI.
Hi, I'm Jeff Spencer, Vice President and General Manager of Smart Connected Devices at Acuity Brands, and today we'd like to talk to you about a new platform we developed called Juno AI. Now, we developed Juno AI in response to the rapidly growing trend for smart home technology. It's being adopted much faster than the transition to LED lighting, MP3 players, and even smartphones. A study from Coldwell Banker Real Estate concluded that 61% of millennials favor smart tech homes. And Consumer Reports show that smart devices can actually increase your property value by up to 5%. At the same time, we're hearing from interior designers who are frustrated with smart assistants and smart speakers with cords and plugs taking up counter space and wall outlets. And from builders who are looking for solutions that are very easy to install and configure with minimal labor or experience. So with over half of the US population already owning smart devices and over 30% more planning to buy one in the next 3 years, we'd like to tell you what we are doing at Acuity Brands to bring this technology to you. So I'd like to show you our downlight portfolio. Now, as we set out to design this offering, we wanted to provide a solution that seamlessly blends into your home and into your life. So we designed the lights to look exactly like the high-quality downlights that Juno has offered for years, with the deep source regression, the glare control, and a broad range of trim options. You and your guests can experience all the benefits of this new technology without having to sacrifice any aesthetics. We also designed them to install exactly like the LED trims that you've been installing in standard housings for years, where you'll take the light bulb out, use a medium base socket adapter, screw it in, do your orange quick connect, and then use the torsion springs to pull the fixture up tight into the ceiling. When you're done, you have an LED downlight. But with Juno AI, when you're done, you have a state-of-the-art LED downlight that delivers 1,000 lumens, it's 90 CRI, and it's tunable white between 2700 and 5000 Kelvin. So in addition, you also have sophisticated lighting controls completely built in, so you don't have to buy a lighting control system. This eliminates compatibility issues where you might have controls made by one manufacturer, lights made by another, and you don't need to worry about hiring an expert to commission all the lights and the controls. Juno AI has it all built right into the fixtures. You can set scenes, set schedules, dim down to 1%, and create all the zones using the simple Alexa app that thousands of people use every day. You also have a premium sound system built in and completely invisible when the lights are turned on. Now, when we designed this product, we decided to focus on core competencies. At Acuity, our core competency is lighting and controls. Harman Kardon has a core competency in sound systems, and Amazon has a core competency in voice services. So we brought engineers from all these companies together to develop this product. Harman Kardon, under the JBL brand, helps us to design and optimize a speaker for this form factor, and they now build that speaker in their factory, ship it to us in Des Plaines, Illinois, where we build the rest of this fixture around it. We made them invisible using a patent-pending design that includes a translucent grille and edge-lit LEDs that transmit the light through the lens and through the speaker grille, illuminating this entire surface when the lights are turned on. Juno AI is also connected to the Amazon cloud via Wi-Fi, which means Juno AI can control everything that works with Alexa, just like an Echo. In fact, when you have a Juno AI speaker light with Alexa built in, you don't need an Echo. You no longer have devices clouding up your counter. It's all completely built in and seamless. So instead of having a home with smart devices, you literally have a smart home. You can talk to your home, tell it what to do, and it will do it. Because Juno AI is connected to the cloud, we can also do over-the-air updates, which means if you put these into your ceiling today and they last 20 plus years based on normal residential usage, these will remain state-of-the-art that entire time. We can update the fixtures already in your ceiling via Wi-Fi over the air. And coming soon, Juno AI will work with SmartThings. Now, this is a platform from Samsung that weaves connected living technology into thousands of devices to make everyday life easier. This will also be an over-the-air update, so all Juno AI downlights will have it, even if they are already on the distributor shelves or installed in the ceiling. So the Juno AI portfolio currently consists of 3 versions of downlights. You have the speaker light with Alexa built in. We call this the master downlight. You also have the speaker light version, and then you have just the downlight version. So the reason for that is if you have, let's say, 6 downlights in a room and 6 holes in your ceiling, you don't necessarily want a voice assistant in every single hole in that ceiling. So this allows you to mix and match, where maybe you put 1 master, 1 or 2 speakers, and the rest will be downlights, just depending on how you want to use that space. You can also switch out the trims. So we have trim options including white baffle, white smooth, black baffle, clear specular, clear haze, and wheat haze. And you simply pull out the trim, grab the version you want, you pop it in, and change the look of the fixture in your ceiling. Again, not sacrificing any aesthetics for this new technology. So now the fun part. Let's demonstrate this product in action. Alexa, turn Smart Room 100%. Alexa, turn Smart Room cool white. Alexa, turn Smart Room warm white. So as you can see, we just give a voice command and we can change it to any color we want. There are 5 color temperatures: 2700, 3000, 3500, 4000, and 5000 Kelvin. But we call them warm white, soft white, white, daylight white, and cool white, just to conform with the common terminology that's used in the marketplace. When demonstrating, I like to make sure that the lights are at 100% so you can give the full effect of how it changes the feel of the room, but these can also dim to 1%. Alexa, dim smart room to 1%. Alexa, turn smart room 100%. Now, in addition to all of the lighting functionality, Juno AI can really do so much more. I mean, just like the evolution of the telephone, Juno AI is essentially the smartphone of lighting. For example, it can control any device in your house that works with Alexa. Alexa, ask Roomba to vacuum. Alexa, change the temperature to 75 degrees.
The AC is set to 75.
And if you're like me and you pour yourself a cup of coffee but never have time to drink it, it's nice to be able to just pop in the microwave, say, Alexa, turn on microwave for 10 seconds. So that gives you an idea of some of the things you can control by voice command. But in addition to just voice controlling your home, you can also create routines, which is a common feature created by Amazon using the Alexa app. And when I wake up for my morning coffee, I like to say, Alexa, good morning. So what this routine does is when I say good morning, it turns on all the lights, warm white, about 50% light level. It gives me a weather report, and then it plays Here Comes the Sun by the Beatles.
In Des Plaines, it's 33 degrees Fahrenheit with clear skies and sun.
So you can also think about the experience when you have friends over. For example, Alexa, it's time for wine. When I say that, the lights behind me dim to 10% except for the one above me that goes to 100%. And of course, play a little Frank Sinatra in the background. Alexa, stop music. Of course, one of the major features of Juno AI is that you can have a premium sound system throughout your home. Using multi-room music technology, you can now play music just in your kitchen or on your first floor or throughout your entire house. There's no need to carry a speaker from room to room or crank the volume in your kitchen just so you can hear it in your living room. It truly is the optimal sound system for your living space. And then at the end of the night, you can create another routine like this. Alexa, good night. And when I say this, all the lights turn off, the TVs turn off, the fireplace turns off, the doors lock, and the thermostat turns down to 68 degrees. So as you can see, this is clearly much more than just saving you a trip to the wall to flip a switch. In fact, in my 10-year-old son's bedroom, when he says it's time to read, he's got 4 downlights in his bedroom. The one opposite him turns off, the 2 next to him dim to 1%, and the one right above him goes 100% warm white, which allows him to read and then fall asleep. And since Juno AI is connected to the Amazon cloud, every time Amazon makes an update for their Echo device, it updates the Juno AI devices as well. For example, you can call anybody in your contact list. You can call 911. You can order pizza or an Uber, and even use it as a PA system. Alexa, announce dinner is ready.
Announcing.
Dinner is ready. So that plays through every Juno AI that has a speaker and every Echo in the house. And you no longer have to run through the house yelling at your kids trying to find them when it's time to come to the dinner table. So as you can see, Juno AI really is the backbone of your smart and connected space, and it's truly the smartphone of lighting. Not only can you control it by voice when you're in the space, but you can actually control it from anywhere in the world using the Juno AI or Alexa app. There is no hub required, and it can control anything that works with Alexa. We actually have a lot of new technology coming out, and this is really just the first step, so stay tuned. We have many over-the-air updates to enhance the products that you already have, and we have several new products coming out. So I hope you enjoyed this demonstration, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact your Juno AI representative or check out our website at www.juno-ai.com. Thank you and have a great day.